Ate yan at Lola.
Happy birthday, Tina Ana!
No, not Tita Ana, Ate yan.
Happy birthday, Tita Nene! Happy birthday, Lola!
So bad, barely getting mad. I'm so glad I found you. You make it easy. There's only one thing to do. 3 words for you.
Lakas mo!
Happy birthday to you!
There's only
Happy
one way to say this to you.
birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday!
Lakas mo! Lakas! Ayusin mo! Ayusin mo! Ang ganda mo. Ayun. Ang ganda mo, Ate yan. Lakas mo!
Ang ganda mo, Ate Yenny.
Mahal ka ni Ate. Oo, lakas mo doon.
Mahal ka ni Ate.
Lakas!
Mahal ka ni Ate.
One way to say those 3 words. That's what I'll do.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you. I love you. Happy birthday.
You make it easy. It's easy as 1, 2. There's only one thing to do. 3 words for you. I love you. There's only one way to say those 3 words. That's what I'll do.
Hello, Ate. Ate Yen. Happy birthday. More boyfriends. Ay, birthday pa. Huwag ka mag-alala. Mahal na mahal ka niya. Ang tunay na lalaki.
Happy birthday and happy 16th birthday. I pray that you will be a good girl and pray that you will know God more. Ayun, magpakabait ka. Stay sweet. Love you.
Happy birthday yan, and I will pray, okay na? Happy birthday yan, I will pray na mag-excel ka pa sa school at ikaw magiging ehemplo ng iyong mga classmates, mga kaibigan. Keep it up, especially your attitude. Always find way to know the attitude, the right attitude of Jesus Christ. Okay, God bless you and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Adelaide. Sana pumayag ka na para mag-sexy ka at makatapos ka ng pag-aaral.
Idadala ko ito sa ano?
Yung regalo, next lang sa pag nagdito ka na lang. Okay.
Ito lang, pwede mo
Love you.
Hi, Yen! Happy birthday! Hope nag-enjoy ka kagabi until now. Wish namin sa'yo good health, mag-aaral kang mabuti, 16 ka na, and ano pa ba? Yun lang, stay pretty like me. Okay, happy birthday! Birthday, Yen. Yen, eto, baul galing sa... Kaya
Amaya.
yung mga... Ikaw ngayon ay hindi na uripon. Sa kanang bahay. Happy birthday. O, greet mo muna si Ate Yen Yen. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yen Yen. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yen Yen. Yen Yen.
Happy birthday, and I wish you all the best for your career and study hard. And I got
Birthday yan! More birthdays to come and be good always. Study hard at galingan mo at dapat matapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. More birthdays. Enjoy your youth but don't forget God. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday sa maganda kong apo. Sana bawas-bawasan niya ang pagiging adik-adik sa artista. At ang kanyang ituon niya sa Panginoon na maging maayos ang kanyang buhay wish, na maging maayos siya makatapos at patuloy na magmahal sa kanyang mga magulang, patuloy na maging isang mabuting anak at mabuting apo. Happy birthday, Yen. God bless you.
happy birthday to me. Yan, ano masasabi mo sa birthday ko? Ano wish mo sa akin? Hindi, Adeline, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, magpatuloy ka ng isang maging mabait na anak, mabait na bata. Always, laging magpipray, huwag kakalimutan si Lord. Siya ang pinakamahalaga. Habang nabubuhay ka, laging mong ialalahanin si Lord kahit saan lugar ka pumunta. Huwag masyadong mag-ano sa mga hilig, mga artista na yan. Pag-aaral, tapos pag-aaral mo, pag-buklahin mo, magmahalan kayo pa rin ni Angel. Kung bigayan, lagi magmahalan. Kahit alam mo naman na medyo nagkakaroon tayo ng problema, huwag lang kagbibitaw kay Lord. Si Lord ang gabay natin, okay? God bless you, Adelaine. Alam ko, isa kang maganda, pinakamaganda. So, anak ko, kayong dalawa na Angel, ang pinakamaganda regalo sa akin ng Diyos, kaya mahal ko kayo. Okay? Good birthday.